Before each use, ensure the blades are well lubricated with penetrating oil or other rust-preventive oil. This helps prevent rusting and makes the blades easier to slide. Avoid using machine oil to lubricate the blades. After each use, remove debris like plant pieces, dust, and leaves from the trimmer with a damp cloth, and then apply a thin layer of lubricant to prevent corrosion and oxidation. After approximately 6 to 8 hours of use, it's necessary to grease the unit. At the bottom of the device, you'll find a greasing port. If you have a grease gun, simply attach it to the greasing port and apply the grease. If you don't have a grease gun, you can remove the bottom cover by unscrewing it and apply the grease directly to the gears. Be careful not to over-grease, as it may cause melting or oil leakage. Apply only a small amount each time. This type of hedge trimmer requires a battery to operate. Before each use, plug in the device to the battery power socket. To start the trimmer, simply press the power switch. Once started, you can hold the side lock switch to keep the device running smoothly.